Hey learners, hope all are good. In the previous session, you have learned interface of Tally, features of Tally, company creation of Tally. So before going to the today's topic, don't forget follow and subscribe our channel so you never missed out our learning videos. So in this chapter, we will learn about the maintain of chart of accounts and creation of masters such as accounting masters, inventory masters, and also you will learn about the alter and deleting the masters. Finally, the chapter will cover multi-master creation and display chart of accounts. So we will cover quite a bit in this session. Okay guys. So as you have a customized computerized accounting puts to an end manual accounting tedious and time consuming process. It involves the simple cycle of one-time creation of ledger, recording of day-to-day transaction, and the rest of accounting process including generation of financial reports is automated. So now let's understand the chart of accounts. A chart of accounts is listed the accounts that a company has identified and made available for recording transaction. It is general ledger. A company has the flexibility to modify its chart of accounts to suit it's needed. Okay, adding accounts as needed. Then move to the discuss concept of chart of accounts with the help of business scenario. So Sun Software Private Limited deals with different type of electronic gadgets like mobile phones, computers, and computer accessories of different brands. And the stocks are stored in numbers and boxes. The company has 4 storehouses: Bengaluru, Mumbai, Delhi, and Calcutta to store stocks. The company accounts inventory to maintain books of accounts, which help them to quick decision to stock movement. The company had an account in SBI current account and Kotak bank account for business purpose. The company decided to maintain the complete financial data in Tally. Hence, they wanted to keep maintain the chart of accounts for recording the business transactions from April 2025. So, Tally automatically display a company's chart of accounts based on the ledgers and groups. They are created for the company. The purpose of chart of accounts is to establish a framework of classifying, recording, reporting for business transaction. Classifying, recording, reporting on your business transaction. And another objective is to use an aid reference for looking for your accounts. And when recording the transaction without a chart of accounts, it would not be to find a list of all accounting easily. So chart of accounts is must for your find the accounts easily. A single interface of all masters of chart of accounts in Tally Prime helps to discover and learn the product quickly with a fantastic search capability. So let's understand the another concept of group. Groups are collections of ledgers and same nature. And account groups are maintained to determine the hierarchy of ledger accounts, which helps determine and present meaningful and compliant report. For instance, Tally has a default group sales account under which all the sales ledgers are classified. So let's see the classifications of accounting groups and its impact on the financial statement. So this is the predefined groups in Tally. So 15 primary groups and then 13 subgroups. So 15 primary groups under 9 groups are balance sheet and then 6 groups are profit and loss item. And the 9 group or balance sheet items are capital, loans liability, current liability, fixed assets, investment, current asset, and then etc. So 6 groups are profit and loss items, sales account, purchase account, direct and direct expenses, indirect expenses, etc. So as you know, our 13 subgroups or items are placed to the remaining balance sheet. So reserves and surplus, bank overdraft account, secured loans, unsecured loans, duties and taxes, provisions, whatever else it comes from the balance sheet for subgroups. So you know our 28 predefined groups automatically created for the Tally software. You can see these groups to organize the chart of accounts of our company. You may create and use groups significant to your business transaction and can alter the nomenclature of this 28 groups. So now let's learn how to view the default list of groups the company in Tally. So now let's go for Tally. So go to the gateway of Tally and then you can see that chart of accounts is therein for masters. So chart of accounts, click groups. So these are the groups are 28 groups. You can see that 28 groups. Capital, reserves and surplus, current asset, bank account, cash in and deposit asset, loans and advance asset. So these are already created for Tally software. So now let us focus on the concept of ledger. So ledgers is an account head. For instance, a sales account head is a sales ledger in Tally. Similarly, a customer is treated as an account head as it calls a party ledger. Okay. A ledger is an account head. For instance, a sales account head is a sales ledger in Tally. Customer is treated as account head is party ledger. So this is the main thing. So the ledger in the books of accounts affect asset, liability, income or expenses. For a newly created company, there are 2 predefined ledgers. So 28 predefined groups is there in Tally and then 2 predefined ledgers in Tally. So such as cash and P&L. So now let's now see how to view the predefined ledger in Tally. So go to the Tally page. So click on escape button. Go gateway of Tally, chart of accounts and then ledgers. So you can see that cash in and to cash and then P&L for suspenses account. So you see only for that 2 type of predefined ledgers, you can click ledger view. F5 is there into your right button. So F5, these are the predefined ledgers in your Tally. So cash, name of the ledger name is cash and then under him cash in hand. And then profit and loss under primary. Okay. So this is for the today topic. This is for the today topic, learners. Keep learning, keep going. See you in the next session. Bye bye.